power. Our power. Our power. People power. NUP. Everywhere. Everywhere. NUP. It's meet, even amidst this tough situation. Friends, our nation is at crossroads. Whatever has been left of democratic governance in Uganda is being eroded away. It was mentioned by Council Wamedi that last weekend, with impunity, we were evicted from BCU radio station in Bali. And that was done by the police and the military illegally. While the Electoral Commission continues to claim that they are organizing what they call a scientific election and claiming that they will be letting us convey our messages electronically through TV and radio, they are silent. We complained initially when the Electoral Commission was silent, when we were being blocked from consulting the voters, the people of Uganda. We complained again when the Electoral Commission was being used to tarnish and vulgarize our political platform, the National Unity Platform. We complained when the chairperson of the Electoral Commission came out and turned himself into the complainant about the red color, which we are legally using as a political party. We once again want to challenge the Electoral Commission to rein in on these errant forces from the police and the military, if they are to be taken for an independent commission that they claim they are. And yes, I want to reiterate that we are suing the RPC, the RDC, the DPC, and the OC station. We know that we've gone to court so many times. And yes, until now, the judgments have not been given. But we shall again stop at nothing, pursuing a legal and democratic way out of this. I want to thank all the patriotic ladies and gentlemen that have offered office space to us all over the country. But again, I want to say it, that the police and the army continue to be illegally used to block our offices. For example, recently our offices in Kitgum were raided and closed illegally. Our offices in Wakiso, in Kakiru, in Kachiri, on a village called Kakoge, they were raided and closed. We again call upon the Electoral Commission to rein in on these forces if they are independent as they claim they are. Because, ladies and gentlemen, it is the actions of the Electoral Commission now that will make us judge whether or not they will deliver a free and fair election. While that is happening to us, you've all seen Honorable Anite in Koboko with a huge procession. You've seen Museveni's brother called Sodo in Zimbabwe addressing a huge rally. You've seen Mr. Kateshumba in Bushenyi addressing a huge rally. You've seen the health minister herself addressing a huge rally in Lira, in a village called Aromo. We have seen Honorable Goreti Chitutu. You have seen Honorable Bana Namugwanya, a minister for Kampala in Mubende, holding a huge rally. We have seen the minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Honorable Kamuntu, addressing a huge rally in Bushenyi. We have even seen the Vice President of Uganda holding a huge rally, dancing under the watch of police and the military. And yes, we saw Mr. Mike Mukula, who is the NRM Vice Chairman for East, holding a huge meeting in church. So, all that, ladies and gentlemen, speaks of the impunity, speaks of the double standards of the NRM regime, and that is what we are fighting, ladies and gentlemen, because all Ugandans are supposed to be equal before and under the law. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, we want to also report that the regime has stopped at nothing to expose itself. Recently, our broadcaster, our internet broadcaster, Ghetto TV, was hacked in by regime operatives. And yes, after the hacking, they were not shy or even shameful to put President Museveni and NRM propaganda on our TV channel. We continue to call upon the good-willed people of Uganda to stand with us in this, because when the people that are supposed to be the custodians of law and order are the culprits, are the criminals, and defending criminality, then the people must stand for themselves. Our team has gone ahead to open a brand new Ghetto TV channel under the same brand, and I call upon all of you Ugandans and friends of Uganda in Uganda and in the diaspora to like that channel, to subscribe to that channel, and that is the channel broadcasting right now under the same name and same logo, Ghetto TV. But again, I want to assure you that everything is being done to retrieve our channel from those criminal hands. That all this persecution, all this impunity is a signal that the regime is on its way out. We can see from history, all the dictators that are about to fall, they did similar things or even worse. So, be strong, friends, be confident, don't be diverted by, not even by these cooked up opinion polls. The real polls are the people of Uganda, and that is why the regime is so scared of the people of Uganda. I thank you for God and my country. Abantu bawansi abakola emirimu emitonotono olw'okulwana ne musigala nga mukyayimiridde mu mbeera eno enzibu ennyo. Njagala okwaniriza abannaffe abatwegaseeko okuva mu bitundu eby'enjawulo, tubaaniriza nnyo. Mwebale kulaba kituufu, ate mwebale kulaga bannaffe bonna bonna ddala tulina okwegatta. Mu ngeri ey'enjawulo bwe ntunulirako eri mu kirasha ndabe mwannyinaze Sauda Madada, era naawe kansabe bakubireko ku bugalo olw'okunyuma n'onyirira ennyo bw'otyo. Everywhere. NUP. Lwaki tebatukubayo akafaananyi? Kiragiro ate ye n'asookera ddala okukimenya, n'amuddirira n'akimenya, n'amuddirira n'akimenya. Kibawo ekiri? So tewali mateeka ga COVID basebo ne bannyabo, kubanga kagateekawo minisita w'ebyobulamu ye yasooka okugamenya. Tebakoma okwo minisita w'amateeka n'agamenya. Tebakoma okwo minisita wa Kampala wano wetuli n'agamenya. Tebakoma okwo n'omumyuka wa pulezidenti yennyini n'agamenya. Kati mateeka ki ge mwogerako? Aga mateeka ga COVID tegaliiwo. Bagezaako okuteekawo kiremya kutukugira kutuuka mu bantu. Era njagala okunga bannayuganda mwenna abali eyo nti mugende mu maaso nga mutuukirira abantu mu ngeri yonna gye musobodde, of course nga mwekuuma, abasobola nga mwambala mask, mwettanire okunaaba mu ngalo, mwettanire social distancing, naye mugende mu maaso ku kaweefube w'okukyusa eggwanga, kubanga obukulembeze obubi ng'obwa Museveni bwa bulabe nnyo eri obulamu bwaffe n'eggwanga lyaffe okusinga coronavirus. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala basebeni bannyo. Tulonda kino nno kye tubadde tukola ebbanga lyonna, ne precisely emyaka 2 egiyise. Tubadde nga tubagamba nti ffe kennyini tugenda kuvaayo tuvuganye ku bukulembeze bw'eggwanga n'ebifo ebirala byonna. Era omulamu ogwo basebo ne bannyabo tukyaguliko nnyo. Nze kennyini neesowolayo, era NUP bwe neeba nayo empanzeeko eddusu, nze kennyini nja kwesimbawo ngera omulamwa gwakuwangula Museveni nakumuggyako. Era sebo nzikiriza nkozese n'omukisa guno okakasa abo abampagira okwesimbawo ng'omukulembeze w'eggwanga mu NUP. Bannange sijja baswaza mumbeereremu ekiseera bwe kinaaba kituuse. Era bwe wabaayo bamemba ba NUP abagamba tisigenda kwesimbawo, bannange ngenda kwesimbawo mu NUP era ngenda kunona empapula, era bwe naaba mpiseemuwo mu NUP njagendera ddala nesimbewo mu Uganda ate n'entebe tugibaleetere.
Say that in English. I'm asking for that particularly in English.
To say that in English, I want to assure those that support me.
Platform era munda wano platform. N'olwekyo temwejjusa banna Democratic Party bannange najja ne mbasinkana ne mba consulting anti bannaye what should we do, where should we go? Mwenna ne musalawo mwalimu abavubuka n'abazeeyi mwenna ne musalawo nti Dokita tugenda na Honorable Kyagulanyi sentamu. N'olwekyo temudda mabega. We are looking for the change. Okay? We are looking for the change. N'olwekyo yemwe change era yefe change yefe mbadde mulindanze Dr. Ndwanandike Christine ne Honorable Kyagulanyi. For God and my country. People power. Our power.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ndiwa.
Watimwe era ne kadi naye nkiikiridde abantu bangi bawera n'ebitano akuba tebaliwo wano saakadde kujja nabo bamanyi ensasadde tebabase ebyuma wano bikyankalanyaawo naye abaana baŋŋamba tugoberere president. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power. Thank you very much, friends.
Tuwetememu emirundi ebiri. Sebo, ugamba oti.
It's enough for me.